Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash some subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So I just discovered some newly loan app. Probably they are not newly launched loan app. I just discovered them, and I feel like I have to share with you guys in case you are looking for some newly discovered loan apps or loan platform you can actually use to get a loan in Nigeria as fast as possible. So that's why I'm trying to make this video, compiling some kind of newly discovered loan platform so you can actually check them out in case you need a loan for a personal use for a business purpose. I'm going to also give you some ideas on how much you can actually get from each of these loan platforms, and probably they need some more information from you before they can actually grant you a loan or not. And people keep on complaining, some loan apps which I have shared in the past, that they keep on asking for their pins, bank pins, BVN, and some other stuff like that. There are some things you actually need to understand. It's just like you putting yourself, like you want to borrow someone you don't know or have idea about that person's existence, and you would just want to borrow that person alone. It's not that possible. You have to collect something tangible from that person so that they will have it in the back of their mind that they are going to return anything they collected from you, and then you are going to get your things back. It's as simple as that. If I make a video regarding probably getting the loan without BVN, I make my research before making any video. And if they launch a new terms and policy about their app, definitely they are going to change that. So I respect you a lot, and I feel like there are some aspects and everything I shared online are based on my research, and I feel like what I saw online, that is what I put into a video. So I don't just come up with my own idea and just give you guys an information which of course might not exist. So thank you for taking your time and watching this channel. So I really appreciate that. So without wasting much of the time, this is one of the best loan apps which I discovered newly 2 days ago. So I feel like I've compiled some of them, and I feel like I have to share with you guys in case you might be very much interested in using this app to collect a loan in Nigeria. So this app is FindKudi, which is fast and safe loan platform which you can also use to borrow a loan. So checking on the screen grab about the platform, so they said no need for paperwork, and I feel like with the screenshot saying, I feel like they are going to ask you for a BVN. As you can see, BVN and your selfie picture will be very much important. So you have to check this and see before you apply for the loan on this platform. So, and you can also get a loan of up to 200,000 with this platform, and you have it at the back of your mind that if this loan platform have no idea about your bank details, how much you are earning, how much you are sending out, they won't know how much of loan they should give you. They won't know how much of loan you should be qualified of. So they don't know much about you. These are the things they will literally need as information about you in order to know how much they should give you as a loan, and they should be also assured that you are going to pay back the loan at when you choose to pay back or you both agree on. So for the interest rate and then the loan tenure, so from 91 days as it was shown on the picture below. Then checking on the about section, the interest rate fall from 12% to 25%, and then you can also get a loan of up to 10,000 naira from the platform. And if you get a loan of 10,000 naira from the platform for 100 days, which is 3 months extra, you're going to pay 1,500 naira and interest rate, and that will be 11,500 naira, which you'll be paying back to the platform. I feel like this interest is actually low based on the time, and probably the loan amount is also small, so that might also affect that. You can also get a loan of more than 10,000 naira from the platform, so it's quite easy to get a loan. And if you want to reach out to them, you can contact them through findkudi@hotmail.com, and then this is their customer phone number if you literally want to get in touch with them. Between any loan platform you want to get a loan from, so have it at the back of your mind that you're going to pay back the loan. That is the only way this country can actually work perfectly. So once you borrow a loan, have it at the back of your mind that you're going to pay back. So that is just that for FindKudi. So another loan platform which I discovered is Lucky Loan, which is one of the best personal loan app in Nigeria. And with this platform, you can get a loan of up to 100,000 naira, and the loan app already have 4.5 rating, and the total review is 21,000, which means this loan platform has been in the system for some while now, and total download for this app is over 100,000. And let's check on the screenshots which was grabbed about the loan platform. Then you can get a loan for up to 91 days. You can get a loan of 200,000 naira, and the interest rate will be around probably 95% pass rate. Okay, that's pass rate. That means you are qualified to get a loan from the platform. And they are also available for borrowing money 24/7, which means as long as you have internet access, you can actually borrow a loan from the platform. All apply steps are online, so these are the steps you need to follow in order to apply for a loan from this platform. So they offer reasonable loan for everyone. And let's check on the about this app. So we'll see what it's all about. So the loan products from 100,000, from 1,000 to 50,000, as it was stated on the About Us page, and all this depend on the kind of accounts you run, how much your account is earning or coming into your account for the last 6 months, or for the last 3 months. Those are the things that will depend how much of loan you'll be able to get from any of this loan platform. So it's as easy as that. You can also contact them if you have any issue. I'm not sure if they have their phone number, but then they have their customer email, which is cs.luckyloan01@gmail.com. That's a straightforward email. So you can check them out, and also check on the review to see what people are actually saying about them before you proceed on getting a loan. And after that, you might encounter some issue, which of course you won't like at the end of the day. So check them out, Lucky Loan platform, on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So you can check them out and try them if they'll be able to borrow you a loan. Swift Naira is another discovered loan platform which I just got, and I'm going to even tell you more about this platform too. And regarding this Swift Naira, I guess like people are not actually dropping a review about the app. Maybe that's why it doesn't have any like bad review, as well as the overall rating is 4.5, which is quite not bad. That's an average of a good app. And then over 700 reviews based on what people are actually saying, and then over 100,000 downloads, which means people are downloading this loan platform. Then apply for a loan of up to 200,000 naira if you're actually interested in getting a loan. So get a loan for yourself within 91 days to 120 days. Depend on how long you think you'll be able to pay back the loan you borrow from the platform. It's a very safe and secure platform to borrow a loan. Probably they are going to request for BVN as well as some other information, which might be very much special to you. But then you can check on the review and see if people are actually getting a loan from this platform. Then you can check them out. And if you want to confirm if you'll be eligible to get a loan from Swift Naira, you have to confirm how old you are, be a Nigerian resident, valid bank account, government issue ID card, probably national ID card, voters card, or international passport. So how you can actually apply for a loan: download Swift Naira loan app on Google Play Store, then log into the register, then log in, complete all the application process which they ask you, wait for them to evaluate your information, then they will disburse the loan directly to your bank account. And the interest rate fall around 22% per year, and that is actually maybe huge, but another way around, if you look into how much you are requesting and if you look into bank interest rate, probably it might not be up to that or more than that. So look into it, see what kind of business you want to use the money to do, and then if you'll be on the profit side at the end. Those are the things you actually need to look into before you borrow any loan from any platform. You can also contact Swift Naira on this phone number as well as their email account, which is swiftnairahelp@yahoo.com. So it's quite easy to also get in touch with them if you have any queries or any issue. So these are the new discovered loan platform which I got, and I feel like I have to share them with you in case you are looking for a new discovered loan platform which will help you and grant you a loan as fast as possible. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you are still interested in more finance content like just like this. So, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.